Okay, we have some more problems we're going to do by using the FOIL method. Remember, FOIL is an acronym that's used just to help you remember the order in which you're going to multiply. First thing that we're going to do is do the first term. So F FOIL stands for first. X times 2x is 2x squared. Then we're going to do the outer terms. That would be these. X times 11 is, so we have x times 11, which is 11x. The inner terms would be negative 10 times 2x, which is negative 20x. And then the L would be the last terms. Negative 10 times 11 is a negative 110. We're going to add these together. So when we get our answer, the two middle terms, we're going to add those together. So if you have 11 minus 20, it's going to be negative 9x, and then you have minus 110. That would be your product. So you're basically adding all this together. So if there's any like terms, you can combine them together when you write your answer. Let's do the next one. F is first terms. Negative 3x times x is negative 3x squared. Then we're going to do the outer terms. Negative 3x times negative 4 is 12x. Then we want to do the I, which is the inner terms. 8 times x is 8x. And then L is the last terms. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Now we're going to add all this together. Negative 3x squared. 12 plus 8 is 20x minus 32 we put there. And that would be your product. Be careful if you're doing one like this that has a square. You're not allowed to distribute the square inside each of those. Instead, you want to first write it out like this, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. You're multiplying it by itself, what the square means. We're still going to follow the FOIL process. F stands for the first terms. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then we're going to do the outer. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Then we do the inner terms. Negative 3 times 2x is also negative 6x. And then we do L, the last terms. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Now we're going to write all this out. 4x squared. There's a negative 6 that doesn't add up to 0. It's negative 6, and you're subtracting 6 more. So that's minus 12x. And then we have plus 9. Then that would be your answer. And then we'll do one more. We'll do one of these that have two different variables. The process is still the same. F, you're multiplying the first terms, x times x. Then we're going to do the outer. If you're multiplying x and 12y, x times 12y. So this is x squared up here. X times 12y is going to give you 12xy. We just put the variables in alphabetical order, and they usually come after the coefficients. So we just write them like that. Then we're going to do the inner terms. Negative y times x is negative xy. And then L, the last terms. Negative y times 12y. Now this, we get negative 12, but there's a y and a y. So that's going to become y squared. So don't forget about the square on that. Now we're just going to write this out. X squared plus 12xy minus xy minus 12y squared. So this example, I'll write them all out. Then we'll simplify here. It might be a little easier. These are the two like terms. 12, and then this is like a minus 1. So 12 minus 1 is 11. So x squared plus 11xy minus 12y squared, that would be your answer.